my language learners. So have you been watching the World Cup in Spanish but have no idea what the commentators are saying? If so, you've come to the right place because this is part 3 of soccer words in Spanish. You might have heard the commentator say, corre. Corre means he runs. Number 2, pasa. Pasa means he passes. Number 3, ataca. Ataca means he attacks. Number 4, defiende. Defiende means he defends. Number 5, marca. Marca means he scores. So, corre could also mean she runs. Pasa could mean she passes. So they could also refer to she. It's just in this case, we're talking about the Men's World Cup, so that's why I said he for these. Number 6, recupera. Recupera means gets the ball back. Number 7, despeja. Despeja means clears the ball. Number 8, centra. Centra means crosses the ball. Number 9, regatea. Regatea means dribbles past a player. And I'm sure you've heard this one. Pasa, tira y marca. When you hear them say that, that means passes, shoots, and scores. Thanks so much for joining me, language learners. Please like and subscribe for more. Adelante!